This exquisite home in West Linn, crafted by Renaissance Homes, offers a seamless blend of luxury and functionality. It's ideally located in a coveted neighborhood with convenient access to the scenic Willamette River, shopping, restaurants, parks, and vineyards. You'll also enjoy easy access to the neighborhood community pool, perfect for enjoying warm days with family and friends. Head inside and discover a spacious and airy ambiance with 11-foot ceilings and walls of windows providing abundant natural light. You'll also love the well-appointed office space with a built-in desk. The updated kitchen is a culinary masterpiece with Bedrosian Crema Bordeaux granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a 12-foot island with a 5-burner gas cooktop. Wainscoting frames the formal dining room. Retreat to the expansive primary suite, where comfort meets elegance in every detail. Enjoy a dual-sink vanity, soothing tub, a luxurious walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet. This 2-bedroom, 1-level home has plenty of space with more than 2,100 square feet. Head outside to the covered patio, offering an ideal retreat for outdoor entertaining or relaxation in this private backyard oasis. The 3-car garage includes built-in storage. This custom home on a corner lot offers the quintessential West Linn lifestyle, complete with a sparkling neighborhood pool included in the HOA amenities. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.